Hello you guys, and welcome back to Gina's Way. So this week we have a great deal at CVS, you guys. You spend $25 off of, I'm gonna look down, it's beauty and personal care, and you get $10 off. So that's already a really good deal within itself. I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes exactly what I did to do my deal, but you guys can do your deal however you want. Let me break it down for you really quick first, okay? So there's so many different deals. The only thing you have to do is try to make sure you're using a coupon with this to stack along with it, or something to have extra care bucks so you can get it free, or it can become a money maker. That's the whole point of this one. So get some fun things you normally don't buy and just have fun with this deal, because this is a great deal. And every time, you guys, the cashier always, anytime it's something like this, the cashier at CVS is like, how did you do that? Because they see all the extra care bucks coming back and what I'm paying, and they're like, how did you do that? So I always have to break it down to the cashier. So let's go over what I did. Okay, so what I did was I bought 2 of these Irish Springs. They are the 3-pack. Now, they are on sale. Let me grab my receipt. Nothing was marked in my store. You'll see nothing was marked. So the Irish Spring, they're on sale for $2.49, and this is the 3-pack. And then you get back a $2 extra care buck. So that's how this one is. So buy 2, get back a $2 extra care buck, and $2.49 a piece. That's not bad. So I bought 2 of those. And the next thing I did was I bought this Nivea, and that is this one, but it is the 8.4 ounce. You guys, this is on sale for $4.99. Not just that, you get back a $3 extra buck, making that a really good deal, even if you didn't have the extra coupons to go with it. So I went ahead and grabbed this. Next I did this deal, it is the Real Technique, or the Echo Tool. If you buy $15, you get $10 back. Like, super sweet deal, okay? The problem was, in my store, they didn't have a lot. I'll show you guys with the footage. It wasn't a lot, and I couldn't find the Echo Tools. So it kind of messed my deal up a little bit because I had to spend extra money. For me, this should have been a moneymaker. You only need to get to $15. I had to spend extra, so that way I wind up having to pay a few cents after I got back and I bought a thing. So that's how that worked. But it should be a moneymaker for you. So only spend $15. If they have Echo Tools, get something that's 10 and something that's 5, whatever, just make sure you get to $15. So I bought all of those things, okay? Let me grab my receipt. And I paid $17.75, but then I got back $15. So 10 plus 3 plus 2. So I got those back, and you can see that I spent $17 on that. I randomly have this coupon, see if you got it too, where it's 10% off of your CVS order or whatever. So I should be able to get another $1.80 back once I go ahead and submit that, okay? So go ahead and try those deals, you guys. It is a super sweet week. I do believe you can only do it one time. Yes, as the limit is reached, so just one time. So if you have another card, maybe your husband or something, it is worth doing it again, because such a sweet deal, you guys. This is, I mean, they pretty much, I paid a couple cents to take this out. But for you, it's a moneymaker. This is a moneymaker. So this will be great for you guys. But just wanted to come on and show that. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing a paper towel deal really soon, because we need paper towels. And I'll probably do, if they have a good tissue deal, I'll do a good tissue deal. But I am on, and if you know of a good paper towel or tissue deal, put it in the comments, because I'm going to be looking, trying to find something a really good deal, okay? Because y'all know I don't, if you've been following me for a while, you know I love a good paper towel deal. I don't like to pay that much for those. So I am looking for that, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna do a Walgreens this week. I got my car back, you guys. I did not have my car. It was down for a little while, so I was not able to do as many videos as I like. But now listen, it's on and popping, because I got my wheels back. I'm gonna get out in those streets and start doing some couponing, or at least letting you guys know where some deals are, okay? So if this is your first video watching, go ahead and subscribe, because I am gonna be back now posting, okay? So with that being said, leave me a comment. What did you do this week? How did you do your deal? Maybe you can help other people. But I'll talk to y'all later. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.